Hello friends, on this video I'll show you how to use 24-hour format on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting. From here you have to scroll down to additional setting. Suppose you are in this feature, you have to scroll down to additional setting. Click on it. After that, here you have to click on the date and time. Then from here you have to scroll down a little bit to time format. Here it is. So if you want to use the time format, you can select from here 24-hour. Okay, and the time will be changed like this. It will be like 15:13. And if you don't want to use time format, you want to off the time format, just click on the 12-hour and the time format will be set off. Okay, you want to use, you can use. Okay, but here is the option. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.